Dr. Huebner, I'm here with James, and James is here 1 year after his hair transplant, and super happy. He's all smiles. We were looking at the old pictures, and I'm very thankful that he's able to show off his results. I know this is really going to help people in their process. He did start taking some finasteride as well, so in addition to the hair transplant, he's able to strengthen the remaining hair he had left, which wasn't much, but definitely helping. And I'm super happy. This is a one pass result, I guess. James, tell us about, what you think of your result and if it's changed your life in any way.
Yeah, my life is definitely different. I was getting to the point where I was wearing a hat every day, trying to cover up my hair loss, and it got to the point where I didn't go in the water, and I worked outdoors at the camps and stuff a lot, and I wasn't able to participate because I was just, I didn't want to show off my hair, I didn't want to get embarrassed or anything like that. And so then I came to you guys and got the surgery, and here I am.
First couple months are a little scary, right? So you definitely don't have anything. You were saying there's a little anxiety in those first couple months, but
yeah, the first couple months were crazy. I thought I was like pulling out grafts and stuff, and
right.
I don't know if you'll include like the 1 month progression or 3 month progression, but in between that time, I mean, there was explosive growth. It was crazy.
Awesome. Is anybody, people, you haven't told a lot of people, the people that do know you, they notice a difference, I'm sure, in terms of your hair. And it definitely gives you more confidence, moving forward too. So awesome, man. Let's have you show off your hair, man. So obviously from the front, but let's have you put your chin down if you would. And just kind of hold it there. Good. Hold it right there. Perfect. Wow. And then let's do a left side or right side, whatever you want to do. Yeah, perfect. Hold it right there. Perfect. And let's see the other side. Same thing. And bring it a little more towards the front, towards the nose. There we go. Perfect. And let's slowly get perfect. Cool. And then if you take your hand and just push your hair up, you can see you have a solid hairline now, right? That's not a comb over. That's real hair in that area. Right.
And honestly, the parts that look a little sketchy, like on the sides, that's not for me. I got my hair cut, and this dude is like shaving me down. I was like, no, please don't.
Dude, that hairline was non-existent before, so that is
like there's a clear hairline.
Right. So now when the wind blows, you go in the water, you're not having to. Well, you weren't even doing those things.
Turn my head to a certain way or anything
right.
like that, and just put some product in it, and it holds. I don't have to worry about it like falling out. Like I can tug on it.
Right. It's regular hair.
I don't have to be worried about it. Yeah.
Right. Awesome, man. Would you do it again if you had, if you do it again, would you do it?
I absolutely would do it again.
Awesome, man. Well,
the experience, during the day of the procedure was, second to none. It was awesome.
Awesome, man.
I really take care of us.
I'm so happy for you, man. Happy anniversary, as they say here, and thank you for showing everyone too. I know this is going to help somebody in their process. So thanks a lot.
Yeah. For sure.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.